He taught me to shoot a shotgun. I always loved guns, and I asked Grandpa to teach me how to shoot a gun properly and use the sight. And he would, on weekends, we'd go out to what we called the farm. It was 40 acres of land with nothing on it. And he would put up a target and show me how to aim and take sight and try to hit a target. And I loved it. I just loved it. So Grandpa thought he had a grandson, and I love being treated like that, you know. Because he didn't treat his own daughters that way, you know, like one of the guys. And I loved it. I just loved it.